Hello guys, so today I will make a pen stand. I will show you how to make this with a mini pen stand with this cardboard box, empty cardboard box of this item. So I taped it on the open area to make it close. So first I will just mark from any one side. I am marking this from with 7 centimeters till 7. I'm just doing it like this because I need to cut it in two parts, this box. So I'm just doing it like this to make it a clear thing. And from here also I will mark 7 on the bottom. And now I know that this is here, so I will just do like this. And here also 7, and I'll just do the same thing. And last side, the fourth side, 7, and now I will take my knife. So this is the knife that I use, but it's more easy for me when I use this kind of knife. So never use this, but only this, because it's much safe. And use that one, but it's sharp and cuts very nicely, so I use this one. And only this side is left. I can do it like this to make it look like this, and this I will fix it afterwards. And at this point I can glue this part first. From here I just glued it to look it like this. And I use this transparent glue for this purpose. And now what I have is this colored sheet, the pink colored sheet I'm using to cover this one. So I will just cover it like this, and it should cover it all. Let's see. Yeah, all the 4 sides. So one by one I will just stick it with, I will just mark with my pencil, and we'll do this. So to cover this, what I will do is I will take this size first. This is around 9.8 centimeters, 9.7 or 8 centimeters. So I will take a bit long. We'll take this 9.8 is fine. So I will take that one, and I will mark in here the same 9.8 centimeters. Yeah, this is okay. And I will mark till the end this 9.8 centimeters. And also this sheet, and make a line. Now I will just join these two dots together. will cut it. Now this is proper. Okay, so I will just take my glue, that white glue, and one by one every side I will just cover it with this. So I'm just taking this, putting this glue on here, cover this side properly, and I will just put it like this. After this side, and I'm doing it like this. Then again this side I will just do like this again, and cover this it like this, and at this time I will cut on this line and this line. I will just take my scissors with me, and because these two parts will go, these two things will go inside, and I can stretch this also, because I don't want this paper that I'm covering to be loose. It should cover properly, not a loose one. So at this time I'm just cutting from here, and here also the same thing, because this will go inside it. Then again this side, let's cover this also. And let's cover it properly. I will do it like this. I will use the whole sheet, whole that I have cut. I will do it like this. And here also I need to cut this part and this part. So what I will do, I will take my scissors with me and I will just cut this piece here and this space over here. Just cut it like this. Now it's like this. I will just put glue inside it and then cover it. Over here, and same with this part. I will put glue over here too. And I will just cover it from here also. So whenever I am working with the glue, I always have a rough sheet of paper with me to clear up any extra glue or any mess. So I always keep it with me. So this part is done. What I need to do now is to cover this part and this part more properly. So I will do that now. First of all, let's just clean it away. So it's looking nice already, nice and clean. So for this, let's mark again and then cut with the scissors. So here is my pencil and ruler. It's around 6. So 6. I will just take my button to just join the points here, and this I will cut. Yeah, now it will be fine. When I will stick this, it will be okay then. An extra part I will just cut it away. So let's just take glue, and here also, and for here also. So just make sure that everything is covered properly, the outer part, and I will just cut this away out because I don't want this, right? That's why. Cut it out and just keep it aside. Now this pen stand is ready, mini pen stand. The back of it's like stairs, one steps, and one side, the other side, and the other. And for this I will not cover it inside because it's okay. It's up to you. It's option. If you want, you can cover it up. For me, it's absolutely fine. And to decorate this, I have this tape with me, decorative tape. So I will just tape it up and make it more, to look more decorative. I will use that. So here's the tape with me, the rainbow tape one. So I will just apply this over here now. This is easy to carry pen holder, pencil holder for kids too. If they want to carry from one room to the other, it's very easy and convenient for them. Because for one work or other for the other. They don't want so many pencils with them. So 2 or 4 pencils, 5 pencils can come very easily, and more than that, eraser, sharpeners, and one can easily come, and it's easy to carry for them. It's not so heavy if they want to carry by themselves. So here is my pen stand is ready. If you want, you can tape it here also, or anywhere here also, so it will look more good. So I will just fill it up with some pencils and will show you more properly now. From one side it looks like this, and from the other it looks like this, and here or there. And the glue will dry by itself, and it will not show them the wet part. It will dry and will look very beautiful then. So I will show you by putting some pencils in here, and then you have a clear look what's made and how many pencils can come in it. So here are the pencils that goes in it, and erasers can go in the small space, and a sharpener can go in here, and there is much space over here as well. If you want, you can put your ruler, and if adults are working on it, they can put this. Many things can come in this as to whoever is working, depending on that. So here is my pen stand is ready. Super cute and nice and easy to carry.